Hi there, and welcome to TechLighten.me. In this video, I want to show you how to make the taskbar disappear with RoundedTB on the Windows 11. Start by opening your browser of choice and do a Google search for RoundedTB. In the list of results, choose the official web page. On the next page, click on the Download Now button to start the download. Once it's finished, click on the folder icon to show it in the Downloads folder. This is a zip file, so we need to extract it. Just right-click on the file and select Extract All. Next, click on Extract. Once the files have been extracted, copy the folder and then paste it on the C drive as shown in the video. In the folder, double-click the executable file to open it. You will see a welcome screen. Just click on OK to continue. It will open the settings. To make the taskbar disappear, change the margin to the maximum value as shown on screen. As you can see, the taskbar has completely disappeared. If you close the application and you want to restore the taskbar, press the Windows key and E together to open the File Explorer. Navigate to the folder on the C drive and just launch the application again. You can now change the margin value back in case you want to restore the taskbar. If this video was helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tech enlightenment.